Rokid Air AR Glasses User Guide. How to connect Android phones or tablets to Rokid Air Glasses. If your phone or tablet supports DisplayPort over USB-C, you can directly connect it to Rokid Air Glasses and achieve screen projection without any wireless adapter. With a wireless adapter, you can project Android phone screens or tablet screens to Rokid Air Glasses. As the operating system on a phone is the same as that on a tablet. Let's take a Huawei P50 as an example. Step 1. Connect the wireless adapter to Rokid Air Glasses. Press the power button to start the wireless adapter. The adapter has a USB-C port and an HDMI port on the bottom. Use the USB-C cable of Rokid Air Glasses to connect to the USB-C port of the adapter. Wear Rokid Air Glasses. The blue screen on Rokid Air Glasses indicates that the connection is successful. Step 2. Project the phone screen to Rokid Air Glasses. Option 1. Screen projection via adapter's hotspot. Scroll down the shortcut menu and select Wireless Projection. Select the SSID name of the wireless adapter and enter the password. You can find the SSID name and password in the upper corner of the adapter system page. The default password is 12345678. Start projecting the screen. Option 2. Wi-Fi screen projection. If you want your phone to connect to a Wi-Fi network when projecting the screen, use the phone camera to scan the QR code on the wireless adapter when your phone is connecting to a mobile hotspot. Or you can open the browser on your phone and enter the IP address under the QR code on the wireless adapter 192.168.203.1. The browser will open the System Settings page of the adapter. In the Internet tab, connect the adapter to the Wi-Fi network in your home. When the adapter system page displays the router Wi-Fi name in the upper right corner, the adapter is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. You can then disconnect the wireless adapter from the hotspot and connect to your home Wi-Fi. Make sure that your phone connects to the same Wi-Fi network as the wireless adapter. Next, scroll down the shortcut menu and select Wireless Projection. Select the SSID name of the adapter to start projecting the screen.